Hello everyone, I am Aritra Ray, roll number 21IM10008. This is a memory game I created for my DIY assignment 2. Let me explain the game first. First, these LEDs will glow and I have to choose the exact same LEDs in order to collect points. And if I make a mistake, my life will decrease by 1. I used my total life as 16 in the code. So if I start this simulation, you can see, so my game will start in 5 seconds. See, the first time the blue light glowed, so if I click this push button I will receive 1 point. And now first red then yellow, but if I make a faulty move with green, it will reduce a point, actually 16 to 15. So now red and then blue, if I make a faulty move again, it will see if 14 life has become normal. So now 2 times YOLO, if I make a right move, see, my score is increased from by 1. So it will keep on increasing and until my life becomes 0. So for your sake, I am just making some wrong moves. See, it's now shown that game over, you lose. So it will start in 5 seconds again and my previous high score will be saved. See, my previous high score is 2. So if I make now green, I will receive 1 score, and if I overcome the high score of the last time, so it will be new high score. So now I am going to stop the simulation. So now you can see the component list here, that what component I used. I used Arduino Uno 3 and 4 LEDs, green, yellow, red, blue, and 6 resistors of 330 ohm each, 4 push button, and the screen, the LCD 16 into 2. So now I am going to generate the code. This is the code. So if I copy paste this code and used in the Arduino IDE, online IDE actually. So and if I run the code, you can see the success is written here. And sketch is used for 792 bytes and maximum is 3256 bytes. So it means there is no fault in this code. Thank you.